Ganymede came to Orlando to inquire about his health. So that is the love twist is going to. One way the Oliver and Alien get married. They actually want to invite the Duke, elder Duke. And other hand, we have seen the Rosalind also returned to the Orlando and inquiry all about the situations. Orlando and Ganymede talked to how Oliver and Aliena loved each other from their first sight, and Orlando informed that his brother had gone to her to ask for her hand. They would get married the next day if Aliena was willing. He wished he could be also married on the same day to his fair Rosalind. Ganymede liked the proposal and said that if Orlando really loved Rosalind, he should have his wishes fulfilled. She said that she would try to bring Rosalind the next day by a special magical power, which she had learned from her uncle. When Ganymede said, "Put on your best clothes and bid the Duke and your friends to your weddings. For if you are desired to be married tomorrow to Rosalind, she shall be here." And found lover could not deliver this. Lover could not believe his ears. So this paragraph will provide you that how the Orlando and Rosalind actually fall in love to each other. But Rosalind did not want to disclose her identity, but assure him that you should be fit for, be fulfilled, be ready for marriage to Rosalind, because she had a special power to produce Rosalind on the day in front of the Duke. So it was really amazing to Orlando. It was really amazing to Orlando, and that's why it was unbelievable to him. The next morning, both Oliver and Orlando came to the Duke along with Aliena. The Duke, surprised to hear that it was his own daughter to brought there, he asked Orlando if really a miracle could be done, as Orlando strived to answer. Ganymede came to the Duke and asked if the Duke willed to give his daughter in the hands of Orlando. He agreed. Then she asked Orlando whether he would marry Rosalind if she brought there. He said that he would. The two sisters went inside the cottage and put off their disguise. So very next morning, Oliver and Orlando went to the Duke with Aliena and asked Duke to get the hands of his daughter. Duke was really surprised how it was possible, because he didn't know about his daughter Rosalind. But Orlando assured him that it would be happen if he gave him the permission. And it's really happened, whatever. So in that circumstances, it was permitted. And immediately the two sisters got inside the cottage and they were disguised. They actually opened their dress and wore the new dresses. When all the persons were eagerly waiting for a miracle to happen, Rosalind and Celia entered into the personas, and Rosalind threw himself on her knees to her fathers for his blessing. Rosalind then related to the whole episode of her banishment for the palaces and their adventures to the forest in search of their father. The Duke wept in joy to get back his own daughter and gave all things then to his heartiest blessing. The two couples got married in the forest. The marriage didn't have the splendor of the royals, but it was the happiest marriage that could be ever imagined. As they were having their honeymoon and thought that there was nothing more to be wanted at the time, messenger arrived and informed the Duke that his dukedom has been restored to him. So this paragraph will provide you that how the well-wisher are waiting there for this miracle, that how it was happening, because Rosalind, who actually are not there, may come. And immediately the Rosalind and Celia enter the place and discussed all about the banishment of the palace and how they were do this amazing adventurous journey in this forest of Arden. Finally, the marriage was going to happen, though it was not a equal splendor like the palace, but it was the happiest one. It was the heartiest one. So it's a real example that when two hearts actually beat to each other, when they actually want each other, it was really awesome. So Duke gave the proper blessings to them, and in the meantime, a messenger arrived to inform the Duke that his dukedom has been restored to him. And another good information was going to be happened there, that is the dukedom of the great king, great Duke, actually restored. It was protected properly. So the usurper enraged at the flight of Celia, and hearing that men of great wit were following the banished Duke to join him in the forest, resolved to put an end of the misery. Thus he brought a huge army to execute his design to kill his brother, but as Providence would have it, he was completely changed by a hermit whom he met as he entered the forest. He thus decided to spend a rest of these days of religious hours after returning the dukedom to his brother, the real owner of the dukedom. The first act of the penitence was to send the messengers to his brother, restore him his dominion, and the followers well as lands and revenues. So it's a great drama, that turned into a good way. Author the Duke, the usurper, entered at the flight of Celia. No one believed about this. No one believed that what actually going to be happening. It was real. The unlawful Duke never believed that his daughter Celia would marry without his permission. And he was really angered. It's a normal happen. And everyone informed that the usurper Duke, unlawful Duke, is coming with the great party to join there. But it was a plan that he wanted to kill the elder Duke. But fortunately, there happens another miracle. On the way, he met with the hermit and he changed his mind and gave him the proper suggestion that what is right and what is wrong. So the unlawful Duke now decided that his elder brother, was the real owner of the dukedom. So he provided all him. So he provided all his property to him, and his follower wanted to join with him. Means ultimately the win of the truth, ultimately the win of the reality. So the elder Duke was the correct one. Elder Duke was real one for the peoples, and that's why everyone welcomes him. So all the followers came and joined to the elder Duke in the forest of Arden. This news and unexpected and it was welcome came to time to enliven the festivity and rejoicings of the two marriages. Celia complimented her cousins on his good fortune which had happened to the Duke and wished her joy, though she was now not the two cousins. So now this is a real news, unexpected news. Now the marriage is more festivity, more enjoyable, and everyone rejoicing the matter in the happiest way. So Celia complimented Celia, actually thanked her cousins for this good news, good fortune, and ultimately they knew that it's never been possible to threaten the love. Love always get the win in this world. The Duke now had the opportunity to reward the true followers who had stayed with him in his adversity, and the worthy followers were pleased to return with him in the palace of their lawful Duke. So it's a situation, it's a real one, that Duke gave the chance to the great followers by giving the prizes, who were always with him in this critical situations, adverse situations of his life, and ultimately they got the good positions in the kingdom when they returned to the king with the lawful due. So that's all. এর মধ্যে কতগুলো মিনিংস আছে, মিনিংগুলো একটু ভালো করে দেখে নেবে। এগুলো এই যে প্লিডেড, অ্যাটায়ার, ইনসিওরিং, এন্ট্রিটেজ, আর এদিকেও কতগুলো ওয়ার্ডস আছে। এই ওয়ার্ডসগুলো কিন্তু খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট। তোমরা একটু চেষ্টা করবে এগুলোকে একটা করে সেন্টেন্স লিখে নেওয়া। I think it will give the more importance to your writings. Thank you very much for watching this channel. Next part আমরা শুরু করব 12th night from next week. তোমরা একটু স্টাডি করে রাখবে, that will help you more to realize the case. Thank you very much for watching this channel.